Me in this video I'm showing you to use edit in Premiere Pro. You make sure you watch a video because very good for beginners. You grab video here in timeline from here to here. Voila. Now what you have to do is to press on type tool, and if you want to use shortcut, press T. Drag and then type. Now here in effect controls, you don't see this, no problem. You go to window and then you press effects control, sorry. Because you can close and modify and change workspace in Premiere Pro, but it's very easy to undo and to fix the problem. Here in graphics you can see type and vector motion and type. Here increase this and we can increase the type, the size, and you can do it from here as well, but we can go there and enable essential graphics. But actually let's do it. You here size, here the same. You can change font. Changing font is very important because very look good if you have a good font for the viewers. Change one letter and you can move this right in the middle from these buttons align. And here you have fill, change color, very easy. Fill color, but you have to select color. Stroke increase, white increase here. From here increase stroke, you see. Now background, and here mask with text. You can also mask with text, but we don't want that because we can do it from here. If you want to mask text, you do it very easy, no problem. Look, you can add feather as well, don't worry, very simple. Very simple, very simple. And I like this because very simple. You do this will help because doing simple, and if you start learning, if it's simple, you can learn. So shadow, you want shadow from here, or select text and do it from here as well. Background, shadow, what you want. And here that's just another text you created by mistake. You can unhide this. Very nice and very simple for beginners. You like this. Alright, so that's how you do it for text. Now you can change or add animation or where we'd add animation to this mask. So I have the cursor here and I have this cursor here and move this cursor from one direction to another, and you will see feather, which we added, and I would like to create animation. So I'll add here this to this point. This keyframe has included this 46 feather, and you select it and you move it. Then you can move it the way you want. So make sure you add now move. We can move like this. You see, move here. We can add another keyframe. Control Z to undo. Click on mask. That's how you add keyframes. And here you have the position for text. You can scale, but you have mask. You can also invert. You can expand this and opacity, of course. Now let's animate the text. Select mask, select text, mask, add keyframe here. Now move, select keyframe and move this. Now we have this animation. You want to smooth here, no problem, you can right click and then for what you want you can add for path, just increase the feather, and you can add ease in, ease out, and here you move this as well, no problem, very easy. You can change text. You double click and you can change text, but you still have animation. That's why very simple. And you can change the animation, you can delete keyframes, cut. But now you don't have movement, you can reset. Okay. You can remove keyframes. Now you don't have animation. You can see the mask. Make sure you press mask to see the mask. And to remove mask, right click and cut. Okay, very simple, and I hope you've learned something. So very much thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.